Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Charles Pope. Welcome to Club Cash Fun. I'm so excited that you came under my link. I hope you decide to proceed to get your kit because you have an opportunity of your life. The more people you get kits to, help get kits, the more money you can make with this program. Because the owner do everything for you. All you have to do is learn how to get traffic to your site. I want to thank everybody that came to my page. If you get stuck, feel free to call me on that number, that 215 number, or text me. Leave a message, and I'll sure to get back with you. All right? God bless you. To Club Cash Fun. My name is Charles T. Pope Jr. See you on the inside, getting paid every week. Club Cash Fun.